In this video, I want to show you how I make thin layers for a honey cake. To make the cake layers for a Medovik cake, you'll need honey, eggs, butter, sugar, baking soda, and flour. It's a good idea to use a larger pot because the mixture will expand when heated. Add all ingredients but flour into the pot and place it on low to medium heat. Stir everything together. Do not stop stirring to prevent the eggs from cooking. Once the mixture is combined and sugar is melted, add in a baking soda and mix it in well. The mixture will expand. Just keep stirring until the mixture turns a mild golden hue, but not too dark. Take it off the heat and let it settle for a moment. Next, gradually add in the flour while kneading the dough. It's best to add the flour a little at a time to avoid overwhelming the mixture. You can also add more flour if needed when you will start rolling the dough out. Wrap the dough in a plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Then, cut your dough into smaller equal parts. Each piece roll out on the baking paper to the 3 mm thickness. Cut into desired shape and size. Bake it at 375 degrees for 5 or 7 minutes. Depends on your oven, you may have to adjust temperature and time. For the filling, you can use vanilla pudding or sour cream with sugar. I would not suggest use buttercream as a filling because it makes the cake dry and heavy. As you put your cake and filling into a cake, wrap it in a plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours.